Why me then is a natural, automatic reaction. Sermonizing is easy. I know that. I say that to myself as well. Why me then is a natural, automatic reaction. But I must then overcome this unwanted, depressing thought. As I do my fears and other baseless anxieties. I know the end of life. That word called demise, too, is natural. Because that is how the great designer meant it to be. And yet, I spend countless sleepless nights wondering if I am blessed with the next light of day. Why me? A worthless, inane thought that needs a quick burial before it consumes me. Thank you, friends. It's not depressing. It's true. This is life. I am absolutely certain that why me thought has come to me also several times. I've had bad luck. I've had illnesses. It's all part of life. And then I perhaps must also have thought of why me. So let's say goodbye to why me. See you again. Thank you very much.